Can you marry a woman you met on Facebook?
No Martina.
No Martina.
No Martina. Which one? You say for social media or for Facebook? Social media. I can marry.
Can I know your name?
My name is Gift.
My name is Emperor Vincent.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, my dear. Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Oh wow, that's good. Me and Nigeria boy too.
Okay.
You see, I want to ask you one question. You go fit marry any girl is for Facebook? Somebody is for Facebook?
No, I'm not fit.
Why?
Because I feel say I don't know the person enough. It's sometimes the person if you get relationship for where and wherever it is. So I prefer the person will be say I know as in normally for real life. I not like all those social media law.
And you feel say any guy they this Europe now will not get relationship.
He not if he not there, but he not get one single man anyway. But the thing be say it just depends on how the man take you for your heart. But for me, I just get my reason. I not feel marry person as if for Facebook. No.
All right.
I dey feel say anybody where they ask get out of Facebook now person with no you not dey occupied. You not get occupied men because if you dey work all the social media now just to make friends and to as in relate with other people. We say you don't miss your old friends. Not be the one we say you for the friends. Some guys they use them as occupation. Begin they ask different girls out. So no fit.
All right, my sister. Okay, can you tell me the difference between social media and Facebook?
They are all the same thing. They are social media. They are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other. They are all the same thing. But I'm not going to marry anybody I see for all those social media sites.
Hello, my sister.
Hello.
My name is Emperor Vincent. What's your name?
My name is Frederica.
Where are you from?
Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast?
Yes.
Okay. I'm from Nigeria. Can you marry someone you met on Facebook?
I can't.
Why?
Because I never see him. I want to see him. I want to meet him. I want to talk with him. It's important for discovery the person.
All right. What if the person is cute, is rich, and he's got everything to give you? Then what do you think about that? Are you gonna manage him like that, or you gonna accept him because of his riches? He flaunts at you on Facebook. Can you take him for that?
No, I can't.
It's Osfer TV. My name is Emperor Vincent. And what's your name, madam?
My name is Adira.
Where are you from?
Nigeria.
Nigeria? Yeah. Okay. Me and Nigeria boy too. Okay. So I want to ask you one question, madam. You go fit marry man where you see for Facebook?
I don't fit marry man where I see for Facebook because I don't know his character. I don't know him before, so I can't marry man on Facebook.
But what if the man cute? He get money, he don't show you many things, many evidence saying that really.
I don't fit marry him because I don't know they're not thief now.
But many people they marry thief.
That one are their own now. Why they go kill their family, kill them?
Okay, I want to ask you another question.
Yeah.
A good mother-in-law and a bad husband, or a bad husband and a good mother-in-law, which one you prefer?
That question get as it be.
No, they see like that. Your husband a good man, your mother-in-law a bad woman. Then now your husband a bad man, your mother-in-law a good woman. So which one you prefer?
I prefer my husband.
No, your husband be bad man.
Maybe good man. The mother-in-law, I don't need that one. Even if you like it, that.
Child, yeah, this
But you need them.
I don't need that one because I don't need that. You don't feel comfortable my relationship now.
Will you keep quiet?
Alright, I want to ask you one last question. What is the difference between Facebook and social media?
That one is better.
Continue.
Facebook and social media is like Facebook is for the world and social media is almost the same thing. I don't know what to do.
Can you marry a guy you met on Facebook?
Yes, of course.
You marry a guy you met on Facebook? You are not even afraid that you're a stranger or you don't know him before. They are even a couple things.
When I get to know him, I get to know each other.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, I want to ask you another question. A good mother-in-law and a bad husband, or a bad husband and a good mother-in-law, who do you prefer?
I prefer a good husband. I'm going back.
Good husband. Even if his mother is bad, it's no problem.
No problem, I can cope. But I prefer a good husband.
What now? I want to be asking you a very good question again. Huh? How many cities do we have in Nat?
Please, I don't know. I'm new enough.
And what's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
How long have you been in France?
I'm here for the past 10 years plus.
10 years. Yeah. That's good. All right. I want to ask you one fundamental question. Can you marry or can you allow your daughter to marry a guy you met on Facebook?
I don't think I can allow it.
Why?
Because you cannot meet somebody in Facebook. Facebook is just a. I don't know how to qualify the Facebook.
All right.
Not work.
One more question, madam. A good mother-in-law and a bad husband, and a bad husband, a good mother-in-law. Which do you prefer?
I prefer a good husband.
A good husband?
Yeah.
Irrespective of the mother-in-law?
Yeah, because a mother-in-law, it's true that it's a mother to my husband. But I cannot throw my mother-in-law away. But a good home starts from the husband and the wife. Where the home is settled, the mother-in-law it can come. It's not a problem, because when the home is sweet, the mother-in-law will be tired of anything that is planning. So I prefer a good husband.
Can you marry a woman you met on Facebook?
Martina.
You want to kill yourself?
No,
For
Martin.
what? Martina. Which woman? You see her for social media or for Facebook? Social media. I can marry. Now, Martin.
What's normal about the thing? Me don't know what's normal about
What's
it.
normal about it? She's okay. She's British. She got her and need. C'est bon. It's okay. I can marry her.
You know if you marry?
No, why you not marry? I'm not marry her. Why? You know what it does?
You know, okay, you need one first dig
Yes,
before you marry.
But fine. I never ever know anything about her. I just see her for social media. I just tell her, say, okay, fine, you're married. No.
I want to ask you one question again. What is the difference between social media and Instagram?
Social media and Instagram. You want to take the difference?
No, now me ask.
What do you think the difference?
Hey yo, Mama, how you dey fly for yourself? I beg, my people, Muna ask this man.
Even ask
Just tell me.
Instagram is part of social media.
Okay, now part.
Now part of social media, so you can't confuse
You
me.
agree with him?
Yes,
Even Facebook, you agree with him?
Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, all any social network, all of them you go to
I just ask you, what's the difference between Instagram and social media?
social media. All they go together. They go together.
They go together.
My channel to
The difference now they talk. The difference.
the difference between Instagram and social media. The difference.
The difference between Instagram and social media.
The difference.
Yeah.
The difference.
Share it to
Who owns this thing?
one and the picture.
Okay. Social media. No, social media.
Why you please?
What's your name? John?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm in Nigeria.
Nigeria. From
Edo State.
Edo State. Me, I don't work.
Yeah, correct.
Look, we come down to our local language.
Okay.
Okay, right now, I want to ask you one question, sir. A good mother-in-law and a bad wife, or a good wife and a bad mother-in-law, which one you prefer? If your wife bad, your mother-in-law good, or your wife good, your mother-in-law bad, which one you prefer?
A bad woman.
You prefer bad woman. You want to make your wife bad, make your mother-in-law good. But now your wife you dey live with now.
No, because if my mother-in-law bad, maybe say I don't feel live with my wife now. Yes, now.
You mean say you prefer make your mother-in-law good pass your wife?
Yes, now. Because if you call the engineer, some kind bad thing, you know, so I don't feel control the woman.
All right, that one join, Sha. That one join. What's your name? Where are you from? Nigeria. Where in Nigeria is that? Bini? Oyedo Mayakina. Okay, I want to ask you one question. Yes. A good mother-in-law and a bad husband, or a bad husband, a good mother-in-law? Which do you prefer?
A good husband.
What about the mother-in-law?
Yeah, I don't get anything to do with the mother-in-law. If my husband is okay and I try to plead with my mother-in-law and he need to give me any love and they try to show love, he need to show love back to me, I go leave on my side and choose my husband.
What if your husband na mommy's baby, mommy's boy?
No, he not go be mommy's boy.
And they see like that, some men are mommy's boy,
You are right.
What will you do?
Some men they don't want rich man. Now wait till their mother they tell them. Now they do. If it comes to be like that, I put the two of them aside.
I do better.
It's Osfer TV, and what's your name?
I'm Divine.
Divine, where are you from?
From Nigeria.
From Nigeria. Can you marry a guy you met on Facebook?
No.
Why?
Because I have not got to know him. I can't.
Alright, can I ask you another question?
Okay.
A good mother-in-law and a bad husband, or a bad husband and a good mother-in-law, which do you prefer?
I prefer a good mother-in-law to a bad husband. Because maybe his mother can change him or advice. I prefer a good mother-in-law to a bad husband.
Yeah, you prefer your husband to be bad
then,
and your mother-in-law good.
Yeah.
That sounds really interesting. Can I ask you a question again? Okay. Facebook and social media, which do you prefer?
Facebook is social media, so they are the same.
So what's your name?
My name is Benedicta.
Benedicta. Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria, where in Nigeria? Which state?
I'm from Edo State.
Where do you are all okay, I want to ask you one question, Ms. Benedicta. A good mother-in-law and a bad husband. A bad husband and a good mother-in-law, which one you prefer?
A good mother-in-law.
You prefer me your mother-in-law, good me your husband bad?
I think so.
But now your husband they live with for house.
It doesn't mean anything, but if the woman is good, it can change. His son can change from there.
Okay. I want to ask you another question. Can you marry a guy you met on Facebook?
Actually, I can't do that.
Why?
Because I never know him from any other. So I can't do that.
It's Osfer TV, and I'm Emperor Vincent. And what's your name?
Isabelle.
Isabelle, where are you from?
From Nantes. Here.
From Nantes?
Yep.
So you were born in France?
Yep.
Yeah, that's good. I want to ask you just a fundamental question. Can you tell me how many regions we have in France?
How many regions?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Can't remember?
13.
13, yeah, that's right. So what's your name?
Benedicta.
Benedicta. Where are you from?
From France.
You born in France?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me the name of French president?
Yes, Emmanuel Macron.
Emmanuel Macron. Can you tell me his age?
He's 39.
39 years?
Yes.
Alright, I want to ask you one question once more. Okay, can you tell me the person who designed French flag?
The what?
The person who designed French flag. The person who designed your flag.
Who designed the flag?
Yeah, the red, white and blue.
Yeah, I don't know. Who designed?
Who designed the flag?
I don't know.
You go feel marry man who is for Facebook. Guy who is for Facebook. One cute guy who is for Facebook. You feel marry him.
If the boy character good, I'll feel marry him. But if not good, I don't fit. Maybe we contact each other. I go to the boy house. If I look at character, if character not good, I will leave the boy.
But you don't see many occasions where we say some boys go invite guests to come for Facebook or kill them. You never hear them before, like boy you don't know before they toast for Facebook, you can't go greet them. Reaching there now, most cases like that, those boys they kill the guests. You never see that kind of situation before.
I don't see him.
And you know they fear.
I don't fear.
Then why you can't go meet them? What's your name?
I'm Jennifer.
Where are you from?
From Nigeria.
From Nigeria, I don't speak okay. Me I don't, but I want to ask you one question, Jennifer. You will feel married a guy who is for Facebook?
Yes, if I find my choice.
If you find your choice. And they talk, so you don't already see the guy now. You will feel married him?
Yes, of course.
So, a bad mother-in-law and a good husband, or a good husband and a bad mother-in-law, which one you prefer? If your husband mama bad, your husband good, or your husband good, mama bad, which one you prefer?
I prefer my husband mama good.
No, your husband bad.
Yes, because if my husband mama bad, if my husband good, I will not feel happy for the house because the woman will not allow me rest, no peace for the house. So the woman good is better than. If you like the way I do, anyhow, if my husband they wicked for me, if they give me hope every prayer, I believe one day it might fit change. So.
What's your name?
My name is Sandra.
Sandra, yes. Where are you from?
From Nigeria.
Edo State?
Yes.
All right. We on Benin. We will come to our level now.
Yes.
Okay. If you feel married, guy is for Facebook.
Yes, as for me, I feel married. Depend on how una take meet. Depend on how una take chat. You know, compulsory say na person you meet for the same place or the same street. Now then I feel still start a relationship. Because relationship now, anywhere you go, you meet somebody. Depend as una take talk, see determine. And for there start the relationship. As for me, I feel married.
But you know, say Facebook normally not be dating sites.
Not be dating site, but it depends. As una take chat, or take talk to each other, as the love take come.
All right.
Anywhere you see, you find your love.
You go feel married guy wey you see for Facebook.
Guy wey you see for Facebook.
Man wey is for Facebook, you feel married am?
No.
Why?
Because I don't know and we no see for physical.
But na from club they enter dance. Now maybe later if you get invite each other or either you come or you come, so that will not make sense to you.
But normally people they see guy for Facebook, some they marry, some not they marry. Depends on your love.
But you?
But for me, I don't feel married guy when I see for Facebook. No.
All right, I want to ask you another question. If your husband mama good, your husband bad, or your husband bad, mama good, which one you prefer?
I prefer make the husband good.
Make mama bad? Why?
I prefer because now the husband want to marry me for us. Well, if mama feel no support, but when the man love me, say if he dey for me, if he settle down on our own, then when time come, maybe the woman, because of the children or the family, good family, maybe the woman fit come concept as he come join the family.
Can you marry a guy you met on Facebook?
No, maybe we know elsewhere before, maybe we know from Nigeria, maybe we know ourselves here, let's say the same city, we chat on Facebook, it's normal, but just from nowhere, I don't know him before, I cannot see him first day on Facebook and marry him.
Alright, okay, can I ask you another question?
Yeah.
What is the difference between Facebook and social media?
I think there's no difference.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Facebook is also a social media, so there's no difference.
I understand you are from Benin City, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me the name of your executive governor?
Present now.
Present governor, the executive governor of Edo State.
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I cannot say I know.